What is solar energy? Paano siya makakatulong sa bahay? And totoo ba may kuryente tayo for free? We'll find out here on my vlog. Hi guys! A wonderful morning para sa inyong lahat and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Welcome ulit sa bahay. I just wanted to say, ang saya umuwi. Galing ako sa lock-in taken ko from Bataan. 1 month ako nawala. Pero eto ako ngayon, nasa bahay naman. And we have a new project for the house. Yes! Today, we are gonna be working with PHILERGY. Ano ang PHILERGY? It's, good morning! It's a German company na solar panels who are helping all the Filipinos here para magkaroon ng renewable and sustainable energy para sa kanilang bahay. Marami sa atin ay nangangarap magkaroon ng solar panels sa bahay, but there are different processes sa totoo lang when it comes to having solar panels installed here. Ngayon, malalaman natin kung paano ba nangyayari ito. Well, it took a while bago ito ma-fall into place because nag-process pa kami ng aming permanent line with the new rules sa Meralco, sa electric company. Meron na silang mga hinihingi na requirements tulad ng REC cables, which I will show later. It's kind of a long process, pero perfect to gawin kapag ginagawa pa lang ang bahay ninyo. So make sure na kapag iniisip nyo na parang gusto ko magkaroon ng solar panel sa bahay, do it habang nasa building stage kayo ng house because it's gonna make everything quicker and easier. And ako kasi nung tapos na yung bahay, tsaka ako lang inasikaso. So lesson learned sa mga interesado maglagay, gawin nyo na maaga yan. And before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga future vlogs ko like this, where we will be talking about solar panels and its use sa mga bahay. So currently, dito na ang mga tech guys, pati yung magkakabit ng panels mismo. Nandito na sila and ayan, nagsiset up na sila. Right there. Ayan yung kotse nila. They have one there also. Pati ang production team nila ay nandyan kasi mag-shoot din ako ng separate vlog or episode with them. Of course, tulong na rin sa kanila. So, bakit kami gumagawa ng ganito? It's because we want to spread awareness para sa mga tao that we should be a part or take a part in helping the earth get free energy at hindi tayo gumastos. This is more of clean energy, guys. Gumagamit tayo ng clean energy. I'm very excited. Ay, nako, super excited. Isa sa mga pangarap ko talaga, magkaroon ng house na may solar panels kasi guys, bugbog na ako sa gastos sa kuryente. It's just me and Mel. Pero imagine, umaabot kami ng 17,000 sa bill namin ng kuryente. I'm sure sa iba, di naman ganun kataas. Pero ako as a first-time house owner, nagugulat ako. I mean, kasi no choice eh. Pag sobrang init talaga, kailangan mong mag-aircon talaga. It's alam mo yun, nakaka-depress pag dumating yung bill. But I think that everything's gonna change once we meet Solar Joe at ipapa-explain natin kung ano ang solar panels, ano ang maitutulong sa bahay, and ano yung net metering compared sa mga solar panels na may kasamang battery pack. So let's go! Panoorin natin kung paano sila magsimula at paano sila mag-install. Balita ko, 4 hours lang daw. O baka 2. Medyo ko. Feeling ko 4 hours. Yung bahay kasi, sobrang taas. So I think nag-iisip sila kung saan sila dadaan. I think they will go from the back. So gumising ako maaga para matulungan sila. At syempre, mapakita na rin sa inyo kung paano to nagagawa. Speaking of inverter, ito na pala siya eh. Yan ang inverter. I think may nickname pa siya, Sunny Boy. Yan. This is PHILERGY. Yan. PHILERGY is a German solar technology for solar panels. Kaya yan ang pinili ko. I want to go for quality, not just quantity. Let's go for quality. And this is called a good investment. Kaya makikita natin kung paano siya magagawa at paano ma-install mamaya. Thank you, Kuya. Okay, kakatapos ka na makipagkwentuhan sa production team. ng PHILERGY. They're going inside para kunan yung installation ng solar panels. Ay, super excited. Ang tagal-tagal ko hinihintay itong araw na to. At ito, papakilala ko sa inyo. Ito ang PHILERGY, German Solar Technology. Ayan, yan. Makikita niyo yung mga high quality panels na gagamitin nila. So like, around last year, nag-meet na kami ni Joe, si Solar Joe. If hindi nyo kilala si Joe, ito yung Instagram account niya. Make sure you give that a follow kasi magaganda yung mga information na binibigay niya tungkol sa sustainable and renewable energy. Pansin ko, ang lalaki ng mga ladders nila. Parang pinaghandaan nila yung bahay ko. So, yung production team, ongoing sila sa installation sa likod. Sasamahan ko sila, gaguide ko na rin kung ano kailangan nilang gawin, and we'll see kung mabilis nga talaga sila mag-install. So, upon computation ni Solar Joe, my house needs around 13 panels para dito. Yung 13 panels na yun will be able to supply my electricity for the house for the whole day. I-explain ko sa inyo. Actually, it's very easy to understand. Itong net metering, guys, dito sa bahay na ito, yung net metering na gagamitin sa bahay, supposed to be battery ang kukunin ko. But then, I did some research and I came across PHILERGY and its net metering style. So, ano ang net metering, guys? It's when you have the solar panels by PHILERGY dito sa house niyo, and then, buong araw, as long as meron daylight, magkakaroon kayo ng free energy, meaning libreng kuryente galing sa sun, dito, na isusupply sa buong bahay mo. Tapos, let's say, isang aircon lang ginagamit mo or hindi ka man lang nag-aircon, nag-electric fan ka lang ng buong araw. Yung supply na nakukuha mo, kapag sobra-sobra yung nakukuha niya, ibabenta niya ngayon sa electric company. Oh, yun ang maganda doon. Yun ang unang part ng rebate or ROI mo sa pag-install sa ganitong klaseng technology. Ngayon, let's say, gumagamit ka ng 3 aircons, may party ka, naka-on TV mo, ilaw, lahat, yung kitchen mo. Tapos yung pupasok na libreng energy ay kinukulang na sa ginagamit mong kuryente, dun ka lang gagamit ng Meralco o kaya kuryente galing sa electric company o dun ka lang bumibili ng kuryente. So, isipin mo yung bawas gastos na magagawa mo dito. At nakakatuwa kasi sa gabi, dun lang ako gagamit ng kuryente from the electric company. As long as meron araw, libre lahat. The best part is, habang nagdagdag ka ng dagdag ng mga appliances mo, gadgets, kasi yung game room ko, guys, bala ko maglagay ng arcade dyan. Mga arcade machines, pinball. So, I'm sure magiging magastos sa kuryente. So, habang tumatagal, habang dumadami yung mga gamit ko, pwede ako i-upgrade or i-adjust yung plan ko na ginagamit dito sa PHILERGY. Now, regarding the price, definitely 6 figures. Tama, definitely 6 figures, guys. Pero, kailangan nyo isipin yung investment side nito at yung ROI. So, ang target ROI ko is 1.5 years para mabawi ilalabas ko dito. Because in the long run, ayoko magbayad ng mahigit 17,000 pesos a month, guys. Ito nga, may chance ako para magbenta pa nga ng kuryente para mabawasan yung bill ko. So, why not? Daldal ako ng daldal dito. Pasok na tayo. Silip tayo kila kuya. Tingnan natin kung nakahanap sila ng daan going up. And they did. Right, ito yung makalat naming garden. Sa likod. Lots of work to do. Parang hindi pa tayo maabot ng 1 oras, ha. Bilis gumawa. Right, ito lang ako nanonood. Sama ko yung production team ng PHILERGY. Hi guys! Hello! Yeah, mga kasama ko mamaya. May mga pabanter-banter kami ni Solar Joe. So, sino siya? Makikilala niyo mamaya. Huwag kayong mainit. Ang bilin ko lang sa kanya, wag lang siya mag-showbiz kasi mawawalan ako ng trabaho kapag mag-showbiz yun. Guwapings yun eh. So, update. Ayan na, nagpapaka-Spider-Man na tong solar boys natin. What's happening now is that kinakabit na yung inverter. Although mamaya i-explain ko kung paano mag-work yan. But they are doing the connection of the inverter that goes to the panels up there. Bubutasan yan. And that will connect to the solar panels. Saan kukuha sila ng energy. Maraming info yan. Pero guys, I'm sure gagawin ko siya in a way or i-explain in a way na maintindihan ninyo lahat para malaman nyo kung gaano kasulit to, guys. Ito na yung araw. My goodness. But we're ready. Well, si Solar Joe, mauuna na siya mag-spill. Say hi! Hi, Pogi! Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, don't go into show business. I will lose my job. Mamaya magkukwentuhan kami at ipapa-explain ko na rin kung ano meron sa solar panels, kung paano siya makakatulong sa atin. So, ongoing ang shoot namin for PHILERGY. Ayan sila sa baba. Siyempre, ipapa-feature ko yung house and yung partnership namin and how I can be a part of raising awareness and spreading the good news about affordable and sustainable energy na magagamit natin. So sila muna mag-shoot at mag-round 2 kami para sa vlog ko naman. Siyempre ako din dapat meron. Alright, so far, andito na tayo. Naka-setup na ata. Papa-explain ko na rin kung paano ito nag-work. The boys are up there. Connect na sila doon. Yun! Bagay ba? Bagay ba sa akin? This is Solar Joe, guys. Make sure to give them a follow on Instagram. This is their page, PHILERGY and Solar Joe, right here.
Follow. Help us change the renewable energy landscape in the Philippines.
Exactly. Kaya mag-solar na. Tama? And I really like that pin that Joe has over here. PHILERGY.
And the flags, of course.
Yun! Ganda. Represent. So, may name siya dito. Sunny Boy. Check all of this. Yeah. Mag-explain tayo mamaya. So, Joe, say hello to my vlog.
Hi, guys.
Alright, we'll be showing you guys the inverter that we have here. At i-explain din sa atin ni Joe how net metering works and what is this beautiful thing here.
Yes, first of all, I super like the contrast. Green.
Oh, thank you.
Plant, and then the green solar inverter. So this is in the end the solar inverter. That's the brain of the solar system.
Okay.
It's a high-tech tool that basically converts the electricity from the solar panels into electricity you can use in your building. It supplies it into all of your appliances into the building before you use your electric utility. So solar electricity flows faster. It goes into everything before you need the electricity.
I see. So the process is the panels, and then the energy flows down to the inverter.
Yes.
And then the inverter gives the energy around the house.
Yes.
And then the extra ones that are not used goes to the
Flows out of your building where your electric meter is. And what we do is with the electrical provider, we exchange that electric meter into one that can also count backwards, counting from your house to the street, what flows out in electricity, not what flows in, what you usually pay for. And then on the back side of your electric bill, you will have a new section which is called export energy, and you see how much the utility or the electric provider pays you every month for everything you have sold to them.
Perfect. That was one thing that I had to process with the electric company. So if you guys have questions, feel free to consult Joe, Solar Joe, on Instagram or PHILERGY, and they'll be happy to answer any of your questions because you really have to know what you're going to pay for.
Yes.
Very, very good investment. So why red?
Red stands for power and love.
Perfect.
Of course not.
Exactly.
Power. Powerful device. Underneath we have our German-made molding. It's a crystal white molding that's also very durable and doesn't get black and pungy.
Okay.
It stays really beautiful. And from there you see, of course, the piping going up to the roof that will be painted in the color of your house, so not popping out negatively. Or
thank
so your house
you.
can stay as beautiful as it is now.
And that's why I went with PHILERGY. They go not just for the quality, but with style also.
Yes. That's
So anything I need to be aware of? Do I have to tweak anything?
No.
Nothing?
That's also the nice thing, as I have mentioned already, it's fully automatic.
Yep.
Yeah, so you don't have to touch it, you don't have to do anything, it works fully automatic. You get an app, On
Oh.
the app, you see live how much your solar system produces, how much you save. You have full transparency. And the good thing for you is if anything was going wrong, we would get an alert because we are connected to your system in the back end, in the technical back end.
Ang
So
galing.
even 24/7, even at night, our alarm is ringing and we know oh, there may be something. So you have transparency and also security that nothing will ever happen to your system because we know it before you even know.
Oh,
We
wow.
can fix it.
I didn't know that, I didn't know that.
That's very nice.
So maybe later we can download the app.
Yes.
Yes, let's do that. So this is how the roof looks like now. See? Alright guys, so we're done with the shoot. We've talked about the inverters and the solar panels and how it helps all households. Joe, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you very much for having me.
And I'm super excited to be an ambassador of renewable energy. Let's do good for the Philippines.
Yes.
Yeah?
So nice that you joined
Of course.
the wave of helping the country.
Oh, definitely. Definitely. If you guys need more questions, feel free to ask me or ask Joe.
Anytime.
Follow him on his social media and also PHILERGY. I'm excited for you guys to understand why having renewable energy will definitely benefit us. Alright, so don't forget to follow, like, subscribe on my channel and click on that notification bell. Joe, thank you!
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Mag-solar na tayo.
Yun, mag-solar na tayo guys. Make sure. Enjoy the view guys.